Hello guys, welcome to Python Flix. So in this video we will talk about building types. What are the building types and why we are using buildings. Okay. So for that, suppose you are going to program in C or C++. In that, what you have to do before you are performing the task, you have the object. Object is something like, it is a thing which takes the memory in your or we can say which takes a space in memory. Okay. So for that you have to provide some data structure. You have some data, for that you have to provide some structure. That is data structure. Okay. In C or C++ you have to create your own data structure like insertion, deletion and lots of workaround you have to do before doing your task. So it will distract from your task, right? But in Python it will provide you a build-ins. Build-in says it is having an optimized data structure which is implemented in C for speed up. See, here I am talking about, I am giving you disadvantage of C, but I am telling you build-ins are implemented in C because for speed up. Okay. So what are the build-in types we are using? Numbers like 1, 2, 3, 3 or 5. This is integer. This one is floating point. This one is complex number. Then string and list like that, tuple and dictionary, sets and files. So all these things I will talk about. So it is a big topic, so I decided to slice it, and in this video I will talk about only numbers in detail. I will explain everything in numbers and then I will explain the string and all. Okay, having the fractional part and complex, decimal, rational, lots of types of numbers are there. So all the types of numbers I will cover in this lecture, and then I will move to the built-ins. So what is built-ins? So it is also, like I told you, it is implemented in C. So it is providing some module like math, random. So for advanced tool of mathematics, if you want to perform some advanced application or advanced task, then you can use it math and random. I will explain completely math and random and all these things in practical session. So let's move to the practical session. So here we will talk about numbers. Okay, so I will create one new file, new Python module. No need to give an package, just name. Like I will give you number test. Okay, just okay. No, you can use your interpreter mode also. So I'm using here this Eclipse. So using in for if you want to use interpreter, just go to your that folder Python.27 and you can use it Python.2.7 here. So you can use it anyway. So it's not a problem. Okay. So we will talk about numbers. Number is, suppose one is integer. So if you have, I will assign some house is equal to 30. Sorry. So now how we can assign the value and how we will implement, or how we will write our expression. That thing I will tell you first. So minutes equals hours multiply by 30. Okay, so it is the valid. This is the actually expression, and this expression we are assigning to minute variable. So this is also variable. This is also a variable. Okay, the complete expression we are performing, then we are assigning to minutes. Okay, so suppose if you are doing like that, hours multiply by 30 or what? Sorry, 60. You can say. It's depend on you. Minutes. Oops. Sorry. Minutes. Okay. So this is the expression is wrong. If you are performing your expression or your task here, then you are assigning the variable. It's not possible. Okay. So this is the syntactically incorrect. So here syntax error. Okay. Or it will show you lexical error. Can't have sign like that. Now so let's move to the main practical. So I will add print. So for printing you can go to the direct Python prompt and come cmd Python, and you can write that directly and you can get the value like 120 plus 340. You can get the value, but in Python sorry, in Eclipse you can't get. If you will write like that 120 plus 130 and save it, if you want to run it, just run. Okay, then nothing will come in console. Okay, so for that what you have to do is you have to print it, print to console. So there you are getting directly output, but you have inside print statement you have to give the value. Here you are giving the value. Okay, now this is the integer, both are integers, so you can perform a normal basic operations like addition, okay, subtraction, and divide, multiplication, and all. You can perform the operation, and I will give you an example with float like 4.5 multiply by 4 and just run it. So output will be 18.0. Now, or we can do one example also for divide. You can divide 7.8 divided by 2. Then what will be the output? Output will be a 3.9. Okay, so like that you can perform your operation. Now let's move to the math building. Okay, so I will make use of math building. Sorry, not mail, view activity. Okay, so we will use the method. Just import your math. Okay, now first of all just print math. Actually see, this is a building, not any method. This is a module, and in this lots of functions are written over there. So how you identify? So math, so you can check this is a module, but it is a building, not any file. So you can't, if you want to see, oh, where is my math file written over there, so you can't identify it because it's written in C. Okay, now we will play with math. So print, I will print something like math dot. So whenever you press dot, you will see here lots of methods are coming like a cos, sin, tan, and see, it is a cos and it will give you the explanation of this. Okay, return the arc cosine measured in radian of x, like that. So I will tell you one, this will give you the square root. So the square root of 4, what will be the square root of 4? 2. Okay, like that. So we have now I will take an example and I will give you an example. Suppose you want to convert degree into radian. So convert degree into radian. Okay, so how you can convert it? If you have the degree equals 90 degrees. Okay, and the degree of the angle is 90, and radian you have degree divided by 360, right? 360 into 2 pi, 360.0, make it float because the answer will be in float, into 2 into math dot you can grab the value from math bulletin. This is the math bulletins, and you can grab the value of pi. Okay, then print it. Suppose you want to print math dot sign. So see, here return the sign of x measured in radian. That's why I converted this degree to the radian, and then I am giving the input to sign. Okay, sign radian. And run it. So what is the sin 90 value? 1. Okay. Now here I gave in the example of a square root, right? So but in a square root we have one error, or we can say it's a disadvantage. Suppose I will give you the here some negative value, like print something math dot square root of -4. Will it work? See, this is syntactically correct, but the output will be math domain error. So value error is coming here. So we are getting runtime error. We can say it's a runtime error. Okay. So how to resolve this error? I will copy the same thing, but what I can do? Just I will comment it, and same thing I will copy, and then I will write. So for that you have to import CMath. So this is also a bulletin, and then using CMath you can perform this task. CMath dot square root of -4. Now if you will run it, it will give you the 2z. See, so the square root of the minus value will be in imaginary. That's why it's giving 2z. Okay. Now we will move to the random bulletins. Random bulletins. Okay, random bulletin, what it will give? It will give a lots of feature. Like first of all, you have to import it. Import random. Okay, then I will print random. What is the random exactly? It is a building. I told you it is a building. So module random from this is the PYC file. So you can go there on same location like C, inside C, Python 27, and then what is that? Libraries, and you can grab here CMath. Okay, let's search it. CMath. This is the file. Okay, so from here you can execute it and run. Now what it will do, print, I will print something like random dot, then you will see here a lots of variables are coming, right? Get state, random is a class. If you will go here, then description will come and you can read the description, and according to description you can use it, right? And I will type some random, or this is the random actually. So you can get, if you will get some random value. So if you will compile it, so see, this is the 13, right? Then again 27. So it got changed, but it is coming 0.0 something. So if you will multiply by chance, then it will be good. Now 4 dot something, and suppose you want only integer, then make it int, convert into int like that, and then run it. So 9, 6, 3, 5. So some random number will be generated. Okay. So if you want to see what are the things are available in random, just print what are the implementation it has. Sorry, random dot all. Okay. So using this, you will get the all random, seed, uniform, choice, sample, and you can use it according to your demand. Okay, it will give you all the things. So this is about all the numbers, and in next lecture I will talk about string. And one thing also, so I will copy my code, this code and the console like output code on this location. So this is my GitHub here, www.github.com python work / program. So this is the link, and you can download from here. Okay, I will copy my all the programs and you can download from this link. Yeah, thanks for watching.